Children, let us start lesson number 2 under block 6, highest common factor, HCF. Let us start lesson number 2, that is finding HCF. As you are seeing here, finding HCF by common division method. Will use which method? Common division means either two numbers or three numbers, will divide them at a time. Common division will divide commonly all the numbers at a time. That's why the name of the heading is common division. The numbers which are given here will divide them at a time. How? With the division method, how it is to be done? Look at here, children. I have selected 3 examples. And here you should use those divisibility rules, because you are doing common division method, means the numbers which are given, all the numbers you are dividing at a time. You should know these numbers are divisible by what numbers. How will you come to know? By the divisibility rules which you learnt already, right? Okay. Here 450 and 600, let us divide this, children. Let us divide this. Here important thing is the number which I am selecting now to divide, that number should be divisible by both 450 and 600. How will you come to know which number that number is divisible by both with the divisibility method? Check here, children, there is a 0 in the ones place. There is a 0 in the ones place. Definitely these two numbers are divisible by 5 and 10. But don't forget, children, here we should take only prime numbers. So prime numbers are non-divisible odd numbers. They are the odd numbers. But odd numbers means what? 3, 5, 7, 9. But 9 is not prime. I said non-divisible odd number. 3 is divisible. 9 divides by 3, as well as 9 divides by 9. The 9 is divisible by both 3 and 9. So it is not a prime number. Which are prime numbers, children? Non-divisible odd numbers. Only one even number, that is a prime number. You just keep that number in the mind, that's all. 2. Only 2 is the even prime. Other than 2, all even numbers are composite numbers. Other than 2, like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc., etc., all are composite numbers. All are from 4. Only 2 is a prime number. Only 2 is a even prime numbers. Which are again prime numbers? Odd numbers are prime numbers. Not all odd numbers. Non-divisible odd numbers. Right? Okay. 5 is prime number, that is not divisible by any other numbers. Only itself it will divide prime number. So 5 is a 0 in the ones place. Don't take 10. 10 is even number, it is composite. I said only you should use prime numbers here. So 5 is a prime number and 0, 0 can be divided both. Take 5 divide, children, here. 5 9s are 5 9s are 45 and 0. 5 9s are 45 and 0. This one 5 1s are 5. See here, 5 1s are 5. Out of 6, 5 gone. 5 1s are 5. 1s are 5. Out of 6, 5 gone. 1 remains. 1 and 0 becomes 10. 1 remains here. 1 and 0 becomes 10. 5 2s are 10. Right? And 0 as it is. This 0 as it is. 5 1s are 5. 6 gone, 1 remains 10, 5 2s are 10, 0 will take as it is. Again there is a 0 children in the ones place. Again both can be divisible by 5. So this is called common. Both the numbers we are dividing with the same number commonly. 5 2s are 10, it is more, 10 is more, 9 it is only. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Out of 9, 5 gone. 5 1s are 5. 5 gone and 4 remains. 5 plus 4 9. Now 4 remains. 4 and 0 40. 4 and 0 40. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. 5 gone. 4 remains. 45 8s are 40. There is a number 12. So 5 3s are 15 is more, no? So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Out of 12, 10 gone. Because 5 2s are 10. Out of 12, 5 2s are 10. 10 gone. 2 remains 20. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Now here there is a 0. Here there is a 0. That's why started with 5s. Again 0 0 started with 5s. Now there is no 0. You cannot go with 5 now. You cannot go with the 5. You should try with other numbers like, see children, 8 plus 1 9. So this is divisible by 3 because 9 is divisible by 3. Divisibility of 3 test. 2 plus 4 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 9 is 8 plus 1 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 2 plus 4 6. Both are divisible by 3 now. Divisibility test I have used. So both are divisible by 3 means take 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Now very small number you can do now. 6 and 8 comes in 2s are table. 6 and 8 comes in 2s are table. 2 4s are 8. And 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Children, further I cannot divide because these two numbers I cannot divide with one table. 3 and 4 will not comes in one table. Therefore, we should stop here. Where you should stop? Where the number, you will get the number in a such a way that those are not in same table. See, both are in 2s are, these two are in 3s are, these two are in 5s are. Like this 3 and 4 are not in same table. So we should stop here and we should multiply now. Common prime factors. Common these are common prime factors. Common prime factors are 5. We should multiply. Are 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. If you multiply, what you will get? HCF. You will get highest common factor. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 2s are 150. If you want, you can multiply in your notebook and check children. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 2s are 150. You should be perfect in the tables, in the divisibility tests. Then you can able to do this easily. Let us see second one. Same method I will follow. Numbers are 90, 80, 100. If you know the divisibility rules, you will do easily. 0 0 0. In the ones place if you find 0, these can be divisible by both 2. All the numbers will be in the ones place if it is 0 2 4 6 8 divisible by 2, no? And also it is divisible by 5. You can take 2 or 5, not 10. Any number you take, 2, you can start with 2, you can start with 5, right? Let me start with 5 because 0, 0, 0 in the ones place divisible by 5 and also 2. 5 ones are 5 children. 5 ones are 5. Out of 9, 5 gone. 5 ones are 5. 4 remains here. 4 and 0, 40. 5 8s are 40. Completely divided. Now, here 5 again 8 is there. So 5 ones are 5. Out of 8, 5 gone. 3 remains. 5 ones are 5. 5 on 3, 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now 10. 5 2s are 10 directly. 5 2s are 10 and this 0 as it is. This 0 as it is. See children, in the ones place if you find 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, those numbers are divisible by 2, that we know. In the ones place if you find 0, 4, 6, 8, here 6, 8 and 0 means these numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 10s are 20. Now let us see children very small numbers 9 and 8. Definitely they will not divide by single table. It is not at all possible. 8 and 10 can be divisible by 2, but all three should be divisible by it. What number? No numbers are there. If you want to continue further, you should take a such number here. By that number, all three numbers should divide. Is it possible? No. You take 2s, in 2s 9 is not there. So 8 and 10 you can divide, but 9 you cannot know. So where you should stop? Where you cannot continue further, and the number which you will not get commonly to divide all three numbers, here I will not get, so we should stop here. So write common prime numbers, common prime factors are 5. So this is the HCF children. Highest common factor is 5 2s are 10, right? Okay. For more clarification, if this one is done, then you will do yourself. Sometimes 3 numbers will be given, take all 3 numbers at a time and do it. 891, 1215. Think children, think which divisibility test, which number you will take, which these two numbers are divisible by what. With the help of divisibility test it is possible to know. See, 2s are not possible because 2s are rule is what? In the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, no nothing is there, 2s are cancelled. Divisibility by 3 means we should add 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. 18 is divisible by 3, 3, 6 are 18, yes, it is divisible by 3. Check this one because both should be divisible by 3, no, check this. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Yes, 9 you got. 9 is also divisible by 3. See, this when you added these digits, 18 is divisible by 3. Here also, you got 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. So, with 3s we can divide. Like this, you should think and decide. With 3s, see children, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, you will not. 3 2s are 6. Out of 8, 6 gone, 2 remains. 29. So 3 9s are 27. 29 means 3 9s are 27 maximum. Out of 29, 27 gone. Again 2 remains. 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains 29. 3 9s are 27. Again 2 remains 21, 3 7s are 21, right? Let's check this one, 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Children, you should not take this directly 15. In the division, you learned this, but don't forget, you cannot take both numbers at a time, no? You cannot take both numbers at a time. First you will take 1, you will not, it is not possible to divide, then you will put 0, you will write 0, then you will take 5, now the number is 15, so 3 5s are 15. Don't write 45, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, no. Only first 2 digits you can take double. After that, only one digit. Taken 1, it is not possible to divide. So 0 you take and take full 15, 3 5s are 15. Again, it is not possible with 2s because there is no 0 to. Next 3s you check. To check 3s add digits. 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Yes. 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. Now again both are divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Out of 29, 27 gone, 2 remains. Again 27, 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Only 27 gone, 2 remains. 27 again, 3 9s are 27. This one, 3 1s are 3. Out of 4, 3 gone. 3 1s are 3. 1 remains. 1 remains means it is 10 now. 3 3s are 9. Out of 10, 3 3s are 9 gone. Out of 10, 1 remains. 15. 3 5s are 15. See children, again 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Again this is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 1 remains 15. 3 5s are 15. Again this is divisible by 3. Both should be divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 1 remains 3 5s are 3 1s are 3. 1 remains 3 5s are 15. Now children, 11 and 15. Will you get these two in the same table? Check, you check. It is not possible. 11 and 15 you will not get in the same table. So further I cannot continue. If I want to continue, both should be divisible by same number, common. But it is not possible. So we'll write common prime factors. Common prime factors. So these are 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So HCF is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 27 3s are 81, right? So such type of questions you will find in the worksheet, that is second and third questions are like this, whereas first question is purely based on test of divisibility test. First question, let us see first question how many of you will do correctly in the workbook, but second and third such type of questions are there, only numbers are different. You can do yourself. In the practice questions of lesson number 2 also you will get same type of questions, right children? Okay, thank you.